rock the boat, aaliyah. Don't wanna sound familiar.
Hi guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I kind of wanted to do like a day in my life. It's one of my off days. We're gonna run some errands. I have to go to Best Buy because my charger for my iPad is broken and it's not charging my iPad, and that's what I use to edit my videos. So I kind of need that. And I also wanted to go to the mall and get an acai bowl. Follow me in day in my life. I notice I always look that way is because I'm looking at myself, so I have to look there. But it's weird because I don't know what I look like. Hey guys, now we're going to Best Buy.
Yes, I'm the Best Buy.
Fire truck, Harley? Harley, there's a fire truck? So right now I'm in my mom's room editing the clips that I filmed today. I'm super excited. This is like my favorite part of my day is editing. Oh, it's so much fun just putting all the clips together. So later on today I'm going to be going to my uncle's house and to help him with the puppies, and I'll show you guys that because they're so adorable. And I also get to take one home and I'm so excited.